'cause I'm starting now to see that, baby, all I need is 4 tires to burn down the highway, a little sunshine, a little bit of Conway. I need the summer sky, stars to see, hand out the window, float the breeze. I need a little dust on a gravel road, some FM static on the radio. I got everything I need to get me through. I don't need you. I don't need you. You probably think I'm gonna call, think I've had a hard time moving on, but I ain't even turned around or checked my rear view, 'cause I don't miss you, and all I need now is 4 tires to burn down the highway, a little sunshine, a little bit of Conway. I need the summer sky, stars to see, hand out the window, float the breeze. I need a little dust on a gravel road, some FM static on the radio. I got everything I need to get me through. I don't need you. I don't need you. And I won't be slowing down, 'cause I finally figured out I need 4 tires to burn down the highway, singing to a little bit of Conway. I need a summer sky, stars to see. I need a little dust on a gravel road, some FM static on the radio. I got everything I need to get me through. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need
Unaware that something was in the air, floating around us and slowly surrounding us whole. Was it a second, a day, or a year when you began to disappear? Do you remember the moment you started to know it was done? With a whimper, not a bang, not a lion, but a lamb. We just withered and died like a lily outside in the cold. And the Rome wasn't built in a day, it took longer still to decay. Slowly but surely your brain just blurred me away. Oh. The chains were strained and slowly your passion waned. We once talked all night, now we don't even fight anymore. At first I thought you needed space, but I was already being erased. The sole resolution, a foregone conclusion, it's done. With a whimper, not a bang, not a lion, but a lamb. We just withered and died like a lily outside in the cold. And the Rome wasn't built in a day, it took longer still to decay. Slowly but surely your brain just blurred me away. shines in the night. So this is the way that it ends, a half-hearted promise to always be friends. A glance at the floor, then you walk out the door to your life. With a whimper, not a bang, not a lion, but a lamb. We just withered and died like a lily outside in the cold. And the Rome wasn't built in a day, it took longer still to decay. Slowly but surely your brain just blurred me away. Oh. The sun is hanging low on the skyline, on the sleepy old Ohio town. And the people think that change is the devil, so the sun is not allowed to go down. And the driver's eyes are glued to the rear view, cause his car is always in reverse. And if you race to where you've already been, then you are always gonna get there first. Yeah, welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I got. Every time I open the paper, to the letters to the editor page, the troglodytes who can't keep their mouths shut, they've really got me in a fume-in a rage. The self-appointed king of the virtues, trying to sell us what we threw away. He's a dumpster-diving prophet, he could rule the USA. Yeah, welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got. So this is what our children inherit. It's what our parents left behind for us. The trophies in your grandpa's old basement, with a thicker coat of rust and dust. I guess there's nothing left to discover, so let's just park our cars and arrest. Cause the mission here's accomplished. Don't it feel like a success? Yeah, welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got.